Next, we can move on to the another viral infection, that is warts. It's very common. Warts are very common. Most of the persons will have warts, especially those who are in hostelers, those who are living in overcrowded area. The warts are common. Okay, we can move on to the detail about the topic. Warts, otherwise known as verrucae, represent a common cutaneous viral infection. It's a cutaneous viral infection caused by human papilloma virus. Human papilloma virus, we will say HPV infection. Okay. They manifest as benign skin tumor characterized by an area of well circumscribed epithelial thickening. And this warts is infectious. It will transfer from one person to another. Okay. And the warts are common in children and young adults. We can see the types of warts. Warts types are classified both their location on the body and by their appearance. There are different types for warts and we are discussing a small portion of the warts. Okay. In that, first one, common wart. Common wart is common in hand, knuckles but may appear anywhere in the body. Next one, plantar wart. Plantar wart usually we will see in soles, heel or toes of the feet. Malayalathilu aani എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. Okay. Then flat wart. Usually on leg, hand, face. Flat wart will be flat in appearance. Okay. Small wart will be there and it will be very fat in appearance. Next one, filiform wart. Filiform wart usually on face near eyelids, lips. Okay, some persons may we can see this type of filiform wart and it will not be that much problematic to the person. Okay. The next one, mosaic wart. Mosaic wart is a group of tightly clustered wart. Okay, in the picture you can see it is a form, a group of wart is there, a cluster. Okay, cluster means a group of wart is there, that is known as the mosaic wart. Then periungual wart. Ungual means finger. Okay, periungual wart means wart around the fingernails or toenails. That is the periungual wart. The wart occur in nails or the toenails or the fingernails. Next one, oral wart. Oral wart that will seen in oral cavity. Then genital wart, it located near the genital area. The wart will be seen in the genital area as known as the genital wart. These all are the common warts we are commonly seen. Okay. This is the another picture shows the types of warts. Most of the warts will be in the extremities, hands or in the toes. And it may occur any part of the body. That you don't forget. Okay. The management of warts, it vary according to the type of lesion. For common warts, we are giving light electrocautery, then topical application of salicylic acid in propylene glycol or cryotherapy. In case of filiform warts, again electrocautery, then curettage can be done. Then in plain warts, we are giving topical retinoids. It will be applied twice a day for 4 to 8 weeks. Then another treatment modality is topical application of benzoyl peroxide twice a day for 4 to 8 weeks. Then another medicine is again topical, that is 5-fluorouracil. For plantar warts, keratolytic therapy using salicylic acid plasters. Okay, keratolytic therapy using salicylic acid plasters. Or the next treatment is blunt dissection. Prior to this, when you are using the chemicals, you should avoid contact with the normal skin. Okay, only the affected area should be used. Otherwise, normal skin will be damaged. And another, the usual treatment modalities we are used for warts are cryotherapy, surgery, chemotherapy. That includes the lactic acid or salicylic acid application, or salicylic acid in propylene glycol, or topical retinoids, benzoyl peroxide and bleomycin. Then immunotherapy, that is interferon. Okay. In the treatment of wart, we will use another drug, that is cantharidin. It is a vesicant. It causes blisters in our hand, or wherever it apply that area, it will cause blisters. So what is the use here is this cantharidin, it causes blisters under the wart. Okay, so what happens is the wart will be come out and it will be die off. That will happen when we are applying cantharidin. Okay, it causes blister under the wart, and these blisters will be dried off. Okay, that time what happens? This wart also will be died off, and it will be removed by the, or it will be cleaned by the doctor, or it will subside itself. Okay, when we are applying chemically, first it will cause blisters. I will show the picture. Okay. Okay, this is the first appearance of form of blister. Okay, this is the first appearance when we are using cantharidin. Okay, and this is the next picture. Okay, we are the form of blisters we are trying to remove, or doctors will be remove, or if it is died off later. Okay, at last you can see the wart is come out, and there is a hole, and it will be healed by natural healing process. Okay, so that is the use of cantharidin application. Next, we are usually doing is excision. So we are excising the wart and we remove the wart. Okay, excise, first excise and remove, and that area will be healed by natural healing process. Then electrosurgery. Okay, cauterization can be done. Electrocauterization, electric energy. We are cauterize the wart, and this wart will be healed off. Next one, laser surgery. So that's here what we are doing is we are applying a small wave of laser to the wart, and this wart will be die off slowly. Okay, so these all are the methods. Regarding when you hear the warts, okay, first thing you have to remember is don't manipulate the warts, because there will be auto inoculation, so it may chance to spread from one area to another, from one person to another. So don't manipulate it. Okay, it's a benign, sometimes it may leads to neoplasms. Neoplasm means cancer. Okay, it's a benign neoplasm, but when we are always manipulating or irritating the skin or what, that leads to skin changes. So first thing you have to remember. Then regarding the treatment we have we have seen, and there are different measures for warts. Okay, and most of the what to say, beauty conscious people, they will not like warts, so they will try to remove the warts as much as possible. Okay, when if there is no spreading of warts, I think there is no that much need of treatment. But if it is spreading, you are seeing that it is spreading, that time you should see the doctor. And there is another home remedies also there for to remove the warts, but I don't know how it exactly work. Some may use banana peel because of its content of potassium. Okay, but the exact effect, that I don't know. Usually as a chemical we will use the salicylic acid and cidovir, etc. And another is the surgeries or excision, cryosurgery, laser therapy. These all are the other methods. Imiquimod is also a cream or topical agent that will helps to remove the warts by boosting up our immunity. Okay, so these all are regarding the warts. Now we are completing our